What's the meaning of CAMRA? CAMRA. CAMRA.
CAMRA. CAMRA. CAMRA stands for the Campaign for Real Ale, a UK-based consumer organisation whose aim is to promote traditional real ale and pubs. The organisation was founded in 1971 and has grown to over 200,000 members. CAMRA lobbies for the preservation of traditional pub culture and campaigns against the closure of pubs. They also hold beer festivals, publish beer guides, and run various campaigns to promote real ale. CAMRA has been successful in its efforts to promote real ale, and today, real ale is widely available in pubs throughout the UK.